Guys, storyboards are the perfect way to sell your video concepts to the director who's going to shoot them. That should be the only person who sees them. The director, maybe your CD, but until you're at a pre-pro meeting, you should not be pulling out storyboards. Here's why. I want you to think back to the last time that you were trying to convince somebody to watch a movie with you. Did you do it by downloading 6 thumbnail screenshots, arranging them in sequential order, putting some notes underneath about the dialogue and action prompts in each scene, and going, hey, doesn't this look like a great thing for us to watch together? I am assuming you did not. If you did, that might be why that friend doesn't call you anymore. Instead, you told a story. You got them emotionally involved. You asked them to take a journey with you that left them wanting more. So do that same thing with your work. If you want to show visuals, do it, but make them full bleed. Use the space you have. Make them feel something, experience something. Do that, and I promise you, you are going to get way more clients, way more excited about your video concepts, and you are not going to have them doing this thing as they try really hard to read what's under the third frame while you're still trying to explain why they should be excited about the opening shot over there. Yeah, that's why this doesn't work. Just give them your vision, not your pre-pro slides.